Hi, I'm Gina and I am here to show you some great leg exercises that you can do in your home while holding on to a chair for some help and stability. So I want you to stand on the side of the chair with your hand holding the top of the chair, and you're going to slightly lean forward and come down in a lunging position and push back, strengthening up those thighs. Let's do another one. Great, and we're gonna count down and do 10 of these. This is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. I'm going to go to the other side of the chair and give you a little bit more direction on doing these lunges. So now you saw me do 10 of them, but what I want you to make sure of when you're leaning forward is that when you step down, that knee does not go past your toes, and you come straight down and you're able to push back off in the starting position. So lift your core, chest is up. I want you to stay focused and go for the lunge. Here we go. 1 and 2. Beautiful. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Great job. I'm going to come back around the chair, and I'm going to show you how to do some leg raises. Hold the other side of the chair. Start with the outer leg. Make sure the core is lifted. And just up and down. Up and down. I'm going to count you down for 10. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Great. Let's walk around to the other side. Get that stability. Take a little oxygen in, because those muscles need oxygen to continue working. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Beautiful. Now the next thing I'm going to show you is how to do some squats. So what I want you to do is hold on to the side of the chair, stand with your feet hip width apart. Make sure everything is in good alignment. Now hold the chair if you need to. If you don't need to, try to challenge yourself and you don't hold the chair. Listen to your body. You know what you can and can't do. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Great. Remember to do 3 sets of 10 if you can on any of these exercises that I just showed you. Have a great day. Bye now.